So today I will show you and you will learn how to make oil field or mining biscuits. Oh my god, can you believe this? So the entire video will show you how to make oil field pipe wrench in a shape of a biscuit or even a hammer wrench. Will this fit, eh? Oh, I think so. So I will type the recipe in the description column, please check. So now we will place this lovely oil field mining biscuits. Good morning. Oh, the coffee is done, but we have a plan today to make oil field biscuits. The recipe is ready. The tools are being created. You'll be amazed to see what will happen now. So all my ingredients are ready for this lovely oil field biscuit. But the trick is here. We are using wheat atta, which is wholemeal. So that is the trick. We are using chapati atta to make this oil field biscuit. You could use plain flour, but I'm using chapati atta because oil field is a very rough, kind of a workforce, and we need strong biscuits. Okay, meal wheat flour is very healthy. Therefore, the oil field needs a strong biscuit. Add the unsalted butter. This time it's going to be unsalted butter, and we will add the ghee. Okay. Later I'll use my finger to thoroughly clean. No problem. Let's use the milk powder. And we will use the samolina, which is the Soji. You know all the measurements. Very simple. As to sugar, 70 grams. It's all well measured. And once the mixing is done, let's add the egg yolk and give it a good mix. We'll add the half a teaspoon of baking powder to the wheat flour, and we will sift it, okay, just so that there are no lumps in there, okay. And this process will allow your baking powder to mix with the wheat flour thoroughly, and later you can probably use your hand. So it's a bit dry, so let me add the egg white. I have no choice, okay. And let's give it a mix. So the biscuit dough is ready, and I will keep it in the fridge for say 15 minutes till I clean up. So cleaning is done. Now let's crush some dry fruits. Just a bit, eh? Not too much, not too much. So they're all good, crushed and ready. Took it out from the fridge, and now let's start rolling. So the sheet is ready. As I said, half a finger, but if they crack you can just join them. I will just demonstrate to you one oil field tool, okay, a spanner, and then the rest is all self-explanatory, okay. You definitely need a hole in the center here so that it takes the shape of a spanner. It's taking a while, but we will get there. We will complete this spanner quickly. There you go. A bit of technique, but these oil field guys can do anything, eh? Just patience, and you can make an oil field rig flow spanner. On the rig side, not going home for Christmas, tell your chef, Mike, I need one oil field biscuit. That's it. And he will make one for you. Remember, I'm doing this out of wheat flour, chapati flour. So we will place this beauty here, and we can, and the pipe wrench. There you go. All right, voila. and the famous hammer wrench. I will do the rest. So these are the safety shoes. Voila, very important. So the leftover, you put them again together and good roll, and you can continue. The Oilfield biscuits are ready with wheat flour, and we will now check it in the oven for say 15 minutes at 170 degrees. If you are on the rig side, make sure tell your chef or your pastry cook to make sure he makes some Oilfield tools biscuits for you guys, so you will enjoy your Christmas and New Year. Same thing for those who are on the mining sites. Okay, who are on the mining sites, tell your chef please make Oilfield or mining biscuits. That's the way. Spanner, pipe wrench, hammer wrench, very important tools. So the biscuits are ready. Let me check the spanner a bit. Open the mouth. Oh, okay, and we'll give it a bit of a design, eh? Just and then a light tap. Should be all right, eh? Oilfield biscuits are ready. The spanner is not looking very good, but we'll. Okay. I'll be there for 15 to 17 minutes. See you later. 15 minutes. Oilfield biscuits are ready. Voila. How good it is, eh? There she is, the lovely, tasty Oilfield biscuits. Oh my God. This spanner is good, eh? Voila. Pipe wrench. Oilfield or miner's biscuit.